Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having guys Volkswagen or Audi with TSI engine. If you have one of those, you have valve lifter noise, stay with us. We'll explain how we can easily fix that without taking the engine apart, without spending hundreds and even thousands of dollars on labor and replacing parts. We're going to share all that guys, absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly taking things apart. You can see transmission, engines, we're constantly rebuilding things, fixing things. We make videos how to do that. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your Volkswagen or any car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So the TSI engine guys, you know, it's a Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda engine as well. They are all used in all these vehicles. So this is a TSI that we have right here, okay? Now that engine has been used in multiple things, anything like Volkswagen Tiguan, Golf, Jetta, Passat guys, Passat CC. If you think about Audi A3, A4, Q3, Q5, multiple things. But many TSI engines, okay, sooner or later will develop a valve lifter noise. So how you can guys fix that? First, change your oil. Old oil or not having the right type of oil can easily cause valve lifter noise. If you have an oil viscosity that's not approved for your engine, that can cause valve lifter noise. Oil that's not good or old oil will cause valve lifter noise because it will not be lubricating correctly. Number two, make sure you have the correct amount of oil as well. Number three, before draining your oil guys, do one engine flush. If your engine is a higher mileage engine, if you haven't done that in a while, engine flush is amazing by liquid moly. We didn't believe in that additive until we used it on that Porsche Cayenne, old Porsche Cayenne with almost 200,000 miles. We took the engine apart and it looked like new. We have a video on how to repair guys YouTube channel that talks, does liquid moly work? Check it out, it will talk about that. But now, doing that engine flush, what it will do, it will clean the inside of your engine. You have a lot of deposits, build up, carbon build up, oil sludge, and it will remove all that. So it will actually make oil flow where it's supposed to, because you have very thin chambers and channels inside the cylinder head, camshafts. Okay, and if one of those get plugged up, maybe one of the valve lifters is starving for oil, and that could cause the noise as well. Next, use original Volkswagen Audi oil filter. Use good quality oil that's approved for your car. Okay, for instance, this one is for Volkswagen right here. As you can see, it meets the specifications. This is amazing oil. You can see it talks about penetration, reduction of wear, fuel economy and all that stuff. So definitely amazing oil guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Then you need to use that thing guys. This is where the magic happens. Ceratec. This is amazing. Ceratec is a ceramic wear protection for engines. You use it every 30,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers. It's an amazing thing that practically fixes valve lifter noise amazingly. Okay, what else it does? It reduces friction. Let us show you right here now. It reduces friction by 75% and it reduces wear by 34%. So it will make your engine last longer, but also makes your valve lifters really quiet. Let's go ahead, shake it, okay, and we're going to put it in the car now. So we shook it good guys, okay, give it a really good shake because some of that ceramic stuff will be on the bottom. It will be orange in color. You need to pull that thing now. Okay, perfect, and we're going to go ahead and just empty it. Check this thing out. Let's go ahead, empty the whole thing now. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now we can use a little bit of engine oil. Since we just did our oil change, we can just use a little bit of engine oil to clean the insides of it, okay, and that way we can get all of it. Just make sure you do not overfill the oil capacity on your Volkswagen, because what will happen, it can actually, guys, cause damage to the catalytic converters and other components as well. But if you have too much oil, that oil will try to come out of somewhere, it can go through the piston rings, burn through the engine and clog up your catalytic converters. On some cars you can even have a sticker on the radiator support that says that if you add too much oil, it will cause damage to the catalytic converters. Okay, we emptied and now we are ready to continue. So once you guys start driving, you will notice the difference shortly after that, but usually after 1 or 2 tanks of fuel, you will notice tremendous difference, guys. Big difference after that. If you guys have any questions, if you want to see anything else specifically, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.